What's up friends, Andrew here. Let me show you how to add languages to your LinkedIn profile. So all you have to do, click your profile on the upper left hand side, then tap your name there. It's going to take you to your profile. Now by default the languages is not shown here, so you want to add that section. So just simple tap on add section at the top there, and you want to look for languages under the additional section. Scroll down, you'll find add languages. Tap on that, and from here you want to add the language. So if I want to say I speak Czech, or whatever language I want to basically type in. Let's type in Czech as an example. I can type that in and I can say, okay, yeah, I'm a native as an example. Tap on save there. And once you do that, the language section is now added. Now, if you scroll down on your profile again, you will see a section called language and it's now showing the language. At any point in time, you want to add more languages, tap on the plus there from here and you can add whatever. So I'm going to add Spanish as an example here. And I'm going to just choose something here and tap on save. And as you can see here, I now have two languages added to my profile. And that's it, guys.